Hello friends, now it's time to read the add words together. So let's get started. Let's see what's the first word. It's b-at. B-at. Can you say it for me once again? B-at. Let's see what's the next word. It's g-at. G-at. F-at. F-at. Can you see the fat boy? Yes. F-at. H-at. What color hat is the boy wearing? Yes, you are right. It's a blue color hat. Hat. Ma-at. Ma-at. R-at. 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 S-at. S-at. W-at. W-at. D-at. Now let's try to read the 4-letter words. Let's look at the first word. Ch-at. Chat. Ch-at. Fl-at. Flat. Gna-at. Gnat. Gna-at. Gnat. Sl-at. Slat. Sl-at. D-at. That. D-at. That. Br-at. Brat. Br-at. Dr-at. Drat. Dr-at. Thrat.